Okay. So when you're not working in Louisville or in Prestonburg, is it Prestonburg? What do you like to do on the weekends? What do you like to do for fun in the city or in the town?
To be honest,
Mhm.
I always look towards the theater because I like culture stuff. So I like orchestra, I like musical. So I love to go to those places. So I like to buy tickets for that to do during the weekend. And also I like to go hiking on the parks here. We have really great parks here in Louisville. So they are big and they have a lot of fun stuff to do there. So it's a good thing to do if you have kids, like go for a picnic there or go for hiking with your family. It's a good thing to do. On the Christmas time, we had one of the parks here, I think was Cherokee Park. They decorated the whole park with Christmas lights, and it was like a spectacular thing to go. So you just go like driving the park where you usually hike, and they had like Christmas songs and Christmas lights all over the sides. It was pretty. It's a nice place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot to do and a lot of fun things. Nurse One, tell us what you like to do for fun where you live or what you do over the weekends.
Normally, during like on our day off, we usually go for food trips. So we normally go out of Prestonsburg. So sometimes we go to West Virginia in Huntington. So that's the closest area we're in. There's a lot more food choices. It's kind of like Louisville, almost like a city type, but fewer things to do there versus Louisville. It's either food trip or sometimes we do the park thing, like we walk with our dog and like hike. So yep, I think that's pretty much it. Pretty much.
Okay. Okay. So a good quality of life, which is
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.